So my first
Sure.
question is, one advice or any words of wisdom which somebody gave it to you or you read somewhere which you would want to share and you still like always keep them with you.
If I can give two very short ones, one is, for me, freedom has come through being self-aware and being able to exercise that self-awareness. And I think the other thing is something I learned from people close to me, is that quality of life is really equal to the quality of the relationships you have around you. That's what
Wow.
I'd say.
Yeah, that's very true. And I think the early we understand that, better it is to lead a better life. My second question to you is one word of what motive, one word or any person, what motivates you or encourages you to do what you do? Like what keeps you going in this journey of teaching others?
Have to say family. That's my one word.
All right, that I think that is the most beautiful word. Uh, so my second last question is one practice which you adapted like early or whenever, but that really helped you to lead a life what you're doing right now, and you would want like that one thing that you can vouch for to practice.
Definitely the spiritual practices, and I've done a variety. So it would be unfair, I would say, to pick one, because in different stages, I've just experimented with a different variety. I would say broadly spiritual meditation practices, definitely. Um, the other thing is believing in yourself and your own eccentricity, I would say. Just trusting somewhere that you have something unique to give to the world.
Right.
Yeah.
And also, I think many people I'm talking to, I think that one thing is so common that everybody is saying that you need to believe in yourself, otherwise, no one else will. And I think, again, coming that from you, like your side as well, plus saying that, your family motivates. So I think it's always about what you already have and then going forward, accepting what you have, learning from what you already know, and then moving forward with your own up to all have the same thing to say, that you need to believe in yourself.
Happy to hear that.
Right. One last question before we end this session. What is that one advice you would have given to yourself when you were starting your professional or spiritual journey, or you would want to give it to your younger ones, like people who are starting their professional or spiritual journey?
I would say don't take yourself too seriously. I've always been very impact driven, and you want to change the world and do a lot of things, which is great to have that. But at the same time, I feel I found it equally important to not miss out the life as it's happening right now. So have fun. I would say don't take yourself too seriously, as we do all that we do. I think not to fall short on our visions and goals, but at the same time, don't miss out on them.
I think that last advice gave a treasure of wisdom, like whatever you just said. And I think it was a great session. Thank you so much for being so insightful, so candid with your words, and sharing your thoughts and your journey so briefly. And I'm really grateful to you for agreeing to do this and for also sharing your views so candidly and being so supportive about it. Thanks a lot.